I want to come back to speak to you about the motion I intend to bring to the 2026 meeting of the Southern Baptist Convention in order to amend the SBC Constitution for an act of convictional unity. To say this is where we stand, we also need the efficiency of having really clear language in our Constitution that expresses that conviction. We did this a generation ago on LGBTQ issues, and that has really helped the SBC. I think similarly, we need to do this. This is a definitional issue for the Southern Baptist Convention. So I intend to propose an amendment to the SBC Constitution where that Constitution defines a church in friendly cooperation with the Southern Baptist Convention. Thus, the language would say this, that a church in friendly cooperation, number 6, quote, does not act to affirm, appoint, or endorse a woman serving in the office or function of a pastor, elder, overseer, specifically preaching to the assembled congregation, end quote. So I'm just taking out the words such as and putting in the word specifically. And this is just to help clarify the SBC's interest in maintaining its integrity and its definitional understanding of the Constitution, how this is applied to the churches defined as being in friendly cooperation with the Southern Baptist Convention. That means we're standing together when it comes to the office of pastor, elder, overseer, and the function of that office, particularly, specifically, the SBC's interest there is in preaching to the assembled congregation. And so what we're saying there is this is where Southern Baptists are absolutely united. And my intention is to bring this to help the Southern Baptist Convention to move forward. And so I appreciate all those who have helped by feedback and suggestion. I think even more so, this is now a consensus statement on which the vast majority of Southern Baptists can stand. I hope we'll do just that very thing when we gather in Orlando in just a matter of days. May God receive all glory, and may we be faithful as we gather together. God bless you. I'll see you in Orlando.